welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at what $5 million can get you around the world. So let's get started.
So, picture this scenario. You happen to win the $4,999,990 lottery. A walk to celebrate and find a $10 bill on the ground.
Whoa!
At the same time, you happen to be in the market for a new luxury home anywhere on the planet. One of the greatest places to own a $5 million penthouse is New York City. This
Is it really?
path can be found in the East Village of Manhattan and offers a beautiful view of the New York City skyline. It has 2 outdoor terraces in addition to
okay.
In total, the property
Wow, nice greenery, I must say.
with about 1,700 being indoors with specially designed mosaic floors. This Manhattan penthouse is the perfect place for all-night soirees in the city that never sleeps.
Wow. Nice space, I must say.
City, Dubai is the place for you. $5 million could buy you this 45th floor penthouse in the Trident Grand.
Wow, beautiful penthouse.
Bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, as well as an outdoor terrace and balcony. The 6,238 square foot interior
Great views.
areas, and a library, not to mention access to the high-end gym within the building. The penthouse overlooks the Palmyra
Whoa.
in the shape of a palm tree. I like to make cool shapes with my pancakes, but doing it with islands is cool too, I guess.
That's insanely cool.
1,700 square foot penthouse in the 29-story Blair House on the Wilshire Corridor. This stunning home in a prime Los Angeles location offers access to a spa within the building and a sauna directly inside the master bedroom. The rest of the layout contains beautiful yet standard designs of a kitchen, living, and dining area. Overall, the beautiful apartment offers a 360-degree view of one of America's largest cities.
360-degree views, that's what we're talking about.
Earl's Court. This place has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms along with an open designed kitchen and living area. The coolest part of this London
London, not gonna get very much there.
would you receive a
In comparison to other places, of course.
foot penthouse for your $5 million, but you would also have access to 24-hour concierge service and a residence clubhouse complete with a gym and spa.
Whoa.
You get not 1, but 2 parking spaces. Heck, in London there are people that would pay $5 million just for that. This beautiful penthouse for sale is famous. Featured in the 2016 film War Dogs, you will find this Miami 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom duplex to be worth every penny. The apartment is 20 feet tall.
Oh, wow.
Walls are made entirely of windows.
Look at that.
Perfect view out into the
Look at the balcony as well.
sound system throughout the 4,200 square foot apartment, making it the perfect place to hold the most epic parties in
That is stunning.
If big city penthouses aren't your style, then perhaps you will be able to find refuge in the mountains. This Argentinian lakefront property villa will offer you all the peace and quiet you need, complete with beautiful views and tons of space.
Wow, blended into all of the scenery.
In their own private fireplace. The villa lies on a just under 3-acre property, perfect for the ultimate backyard barbecues. Part of the property has a jetty that leads right onto Lake Nahuelhuapi, perfect for parking your boat that is unfortunately not included. But hey, just rent out half your bedrooms for 6 months and I'm sure you can figure something out. When you think of luxurious places to live in the US, you think of
That is so nice.
and of course Stowe, Vermont. That last one is more if you're looking for a $5 million private mountain ski lodge style home with a lift just steps from the door.
That is so beautiful.
It has 5 bedrooms, as well as several porches perfect for hosting guests. And don't worry, when the snow is going, there are still several other activities to partake in. In Banff National
That is so nice.
80-year-old mountain home that was updated in 2013. With close proximity to all manner of ski resorts, this 6-bedroom paradise is nestled perfectly in the mountains. It is
Look at that. Amazing skylights too.
over 8,000 square feet. During the update, the floor plan was moved.
8,000 square feet, that's a lot.
The architects of the project were sure to keep its historic appeal. Honestly, if you don't want to buy it, it's Canada. You could probably just go knock on the front door and whoever winds up living there will politely invite you in. This is just a personal opinion, but if you're going to buy a house for $5 million, it should probably be on the beach. This 2-acre beach house in Santa Monica, Uruguay comes complete with 9 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. On top of that,
Wow, looks very cozy.
fountain and garden. Outdoors on the deck facing the ocean, you can enjoy the beautiful
Look at the views.
enjoying your outdoor barbecue. Then you can reach the beach with direct access from your new property. The personality of the Greek Aegean Sea is known the world over. And this 6,700 square foot villa sits right on its shores.
Wow.
A grove of olive trees, which to me just means an endless supply of martinis. The property actually comes with an outdoor pool and an additional guest house, which when combined with the main structure can house up to 12 people, making it the perfect setting for a Greek party akin to the ones held on.
Look at those.
Even the great Tony Stark would go for this $5 million Malibu beach house. Built in 1926,
Malibu.
this 2-bathroom bungalow literally leads directly into the ocean waters of Las Flores Beach. The house is only 1,400 square feet, but probably because it fully expects you to be spending all of your time in the water. The house comes fully stocked with surfboards, paddleboards, rafts, and an oceanfront deck to watch your friends do all the cool stuff while you enjoy the view. In Auckland, New Zealand, you will find this fully open-designed house.
If you totally love the ocean, that would be a nice spot.
Is actually a triple threat, given that it leads to 3 separate beaches all on the Hauraki Gulf. The beautiful down under contains 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
New Zealand.
Center of the property. This courtyard contains a fireplace and barbecue, which is the perfect post-beach day spot for you and all your friends. This
That is gorgeous.
beach house lies on the island of Great Abaco in the Bahamas. Located within the jurisdiction of the Abaco Club, residents have access to golf courses, tennis courts.
Oh wow, look at this space.
The estate itself leads to a private 200-foot beach, which can be seen from your very own plunge pool in your front yard. The home is 3,300 square feet, offering plenty of space for your friends who hopefully drive cruise ships for a living and can make frequent stops at your island paradise.
Wow.
You can even find $5 million suburban-style homes all over the world. In Washington, D.C., in the Berkeley neighborhood, you can buy a very large 6-bedroom, 8-bathroom house with tons of space. The home in total is 7,800 square feet.
Oh wow, the indoors look very nice.
Your garden, 2 offices, and multiple walk-in closets. This is the perfect home in a lavish neighborhood directly within the nation's capital. If you're looking for 6 beds, 4 full and 2.5 baths located somewhere in the Windy City, then look no further. This 6,000 square foot Chicago home lies right in the beautiful scenery of the Lincoln Park neighborhood. This
Doesn't that just remind you of New York City?
along with an oversized lot in a quaint Chicago neighborhood. From my understanding, this one is only $4.999 million, which means you have an extra $1,000 for groceries, I guess. One place where it is to be assumed that a real estate investment could total up to $5 million is definitely on the beautiful islands of Hawaii, especially in the state capital of Honolulu, where the most luxurious mansions can be found. At 5,600 square feet, with 5 beds and 5.5 baths, with views out of every angle in the house to some beautiful ocean or mountain makes this
Honolulu, the paradise of the paradise.
property sits in a gated community in one of the most highly desired property locations in the world. Those lucky enough to find themselves in possession of $5 million certainly have plenty of luxury options to choose from. If one isn't your style, you could buy 5 vacation homes in locations such as the Dominican Republic, Spain, Thailand, the Bahamas, and Japan for $1 million each.
$5 million can do a whole lot, including buy some amazing properties around the world. This was very awesome and very, very nice. Comment below which country or which city you would really like to have $1 million house in. Japan, Hawaii, and the Bahamas sounds really nice. Don't forget to take a look at these reactions as well.